Good morning. Today I am going to share with you very interesting subject, and probably you would have come across, but for young lawyers, several words I am going to discuss with you. Number one, what is licitation? Number two, owelty. Then number three, inventory proceedings. Apart from that, this is a case where AR 2022 Supreme Court 4527, AR 2022 Supreme Court 4527, Mrs. Ethel Lourdes D'Souza Lobo versus Lucio Nevelli, Jude D'Souza and others case, partition suit was effected. Actually, what is here? He has the deceased has got lot of properties, so many legal heirs. Therefore, there was no possibility of partitioning the property. Then the procedure of licitation was introduced, applied. Licitation. What is licitation? Licitation means public action of the entire property among the legal heirs. Those who bid the highest amount will be declared as purchaser by completing the sale by hammering or by thrice bell. So that means once three times bell is blown, then automatically the property will be belong. What was owelty? Owelty means at the time of partitioning the property, if some excess portion is being paid to one of the legal heir, then for that excess he has to pay the liquidating compensation. That is called owelty. Then inventory proceedings means measuring other things are there. Then what about this Portuguese Code of Civil Procedure? That is Article 1417 deals with partition by licitation. Therefore, you see there are the Goa was under the rule of Portuguese, and it was annexed very late with Indian sovereignty. At the time of annexation, there was provision under Section 5 of the Goa, Daman and Diu Administration Act 1962. They have law in force prior to annexation was appropriated. Therefore, you have to go through the judgment, but this is what Portuguese system of partitioning the property under Portuguese Code of Civil Procedure. So many other things are available. You go and understand if you are really wanted to know further information about all those things. But so far youngsters are concerned, so my intention to share this judgment was that in some state, Pondicherry, Goa, Diu, Daman, these foreign code are being followed. Other one thing is I want that you should know what is licitation, then owelty. And another word is also being used, doctrine of amelioration. Doctrine of amelioration is also used in common properties. If suppose you may be a brothers or other family member claiming joint ownership, suppose without partitioning the property, you yourself imagining that you have got that much of share and that was allotted to you, if you improve that share out of your income, which property was belonging to all, then according to doctrine of doctrine of amelioration, that property which was developed by you will also be shared by equally by all other legal heirs. That means the amount spent by you is being thrown in the common patch. This is what I want you to understand partition deed. There are so many articles under this Portuguese Civil Code. If you want to go through this judgment, I said AR 2022 Supreme Court 4527. It will be helpful you to understand the Portuguese law. Best wishes.